Welcome student in Christchurch DG classes, subject chemistry class 11, chapter 1st, date 12/8/2020. Today we'll see some important concept in chemistry. If reaction taking place in a solution, then some are the terms which become very important and we should know their meaning. हमें उनका मतलब पता होना चाहिए. A majority of reaction in the laboratories are carried out in solution. केमिकल लैब या लेबॉर्ट्री के अंदर अधिकांश जो रिएक्शन है वो सॉल्यूशंस में कराई जाती हैं. सॉल्यूशन in which solute is dissolved in a solvent, we get solution. Is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two substances. The concentration of a solution or the amount of substance present in its given volume can be expressed by any of the following ways. So first way is mass percent or weight percent. Then second concept is mole fraction, third is molarity, and fourth is molality. These are very important and these concept will help you in class 12th also. So mass percent or weight percent. Mass percent is one of the way of representing the concentration of an element in a compound or in a component in a mixture. So how to calculate mass percent? Mass percent is calculated as the mass of a component divided by the total mass of the mixture multiplied by 100, and we'll put sign of percent. For example, consider a compound of H2O water molecule. 1 mole of water molecule is equal to 18 gram, in which contains 2 moles of hydrogen, because atomic mass of hydrogen atom is 1. So if you multiply by 2, you will get 2. So water molecule contains 2 mole of hydrogen gas and 1 mole of O2 gas. Or it can be also stated that as 2 into 1 gram of hydrogen atom and 16 gram of oxygen atom. Therefore mass percent of H2 is 2 upon 18 into 100. So the contribution in water molecule of hydrogen atom is 2 grams. So 2 divided by total weight of water molecule 18 gram multiplied by 100%. And similarly mass percent of O2, atomic number of oxygen is 16, but 1 mole of H2 react with half mole of oxygen gas. So for mass percent of O2 is 16 divided by 18 into 100%. So in this way you can calculate mass percent. You can take one more example, calcium carbonate, CaCO3. So in calcium carbonate, the mass percent of calcium is 40, because if you consider 100 gram of calcium carbonate, so in 100 gram of calcium carbonate the weight of calcium is 40, because its atomic number is 20. So if you refer periodic table, you will get mass of calcium atom is 40, carbon is 12, so 40 plus 12 you will get 52, and O3 means 16 3 ja 48. So calcium carbonate is the best example of mass percent, because if you calculate the mass of calcium carbonate, it is 100 gram, so it become easier to calculate the mass percent of other element. Now our problem is given to you. A solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of a substance A can be anything, to 18 gram of water. Now calculate the mass percent of solute. So substance A is the solute and 18 gram water is solvent. So clearly mass percent of A is equal to mass of A divided by mass of solution into 100. So it is given to you 2 gram of substance is A is taken. So 2 divided by mass of solution means mass of solute plus mass of solvent, means 2 gram of A and 18 gram of water. So 2 by 20 into 100. So if you simplify this, you will get 10. So 10%. So the solution is obtained, strength is 10% solution. Weight by volume, weight by weight, because both the unit are taken in gram. So we'll call it weight by weight, mass percent weight by weight. Now next important concept, mole fraction. What is mole fraction? It is the ratio of number of moles of a particular component to the total number of moles of the solution. For example, consider a substance A, suppose it is a salt or glucose. Salt you can say NaCl, or glucose means C6H12O6. A is dissolved in a substance B, suppose it is a water, H2O, and their moles are Na and Nb. So the moles of solute are Na and moles of solvent are Nb. So if you want to calculate mole fraction of A means mole fraction of solute, then how can you calculate number of moles of A divided by number of moles of solution, means sum of moles of solute plus solvent, you can say. And mole fraction of B, suppose it is solvent, so number of moles of B or solvent divided by number of moles of solution, means sum of the moles of solute and solvent. Nb is equal to, mole fraction of B is equal to Nb upon Na plus Nb. So remember this mole fraction, last year it was asked in 2 marks question in class 12th also. Now next important concept is molarity. So molarity is defined as the number of moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. See, number of mole, 1 mole of a solute is different for different salt. Suppose if we take NaCl, so 1 mole of NaCl, mass of 1 mole of NaCl will be 58.5 gram, and if you take KCl, then it become 40 plus 35.5, so we'll get 75.5. So if you take different salt, the 1 mole of that salt has different mass. So it is widely used unit. It is denoted by capital M. Molarity, capital M, is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. So it is also represented as concentration of solution. Molarity means concentration of a solution. Means what is the concentration of solution, means how much quantity of solute is dissolved in solvent. So one problem is given to you, a 4 gram sugar cube, suppose it is molecular formula is sucrose, C12H22O11, is dissolved in 350 ml teacup filled with hot water. What is the molarity of the sugar solution? Or you can say syrup. Syrup is a sweet solution of sugar. So answer, how to calculate equation of molarity, we all know capital M is equal to mass of solute divided by volume of solution in liters, so where M is the molarity and its unit is mole per liter. So small m is the number of moles of solute and V is the volume of solvent in liter. Now for each of the atom to get total gram per mole, you can see 12 atoms of carbon are there, So we will multiply 12 by 12. So 112 stands for 12 carbon atom and 112 stands for gram atomic mass of carbon atom. So if you multiply 12 into 12, you will get 144. And how many hydrogen atoms are there? 22. So 22 multiplied by mass of one hydrogen atom is 1. So 22 multiplied by 1. So you will get 22. And how many oxygen atom are there? 11. So 11 is multiplied by 16. 16 is taken from periodic table. The mass of oxygen atom is 16. So 16 multiplied by 11, you will get 176. So if you add 144, 22 and 176, you will get 342 gram per mole. So what is the molecular mass of sucrose molecule in gram? It is 342. So now we have weight of 1 mole of sucrose molecule is 342 gram. So 1 mole of sucrose, the weight of 1 mole of sucrose is 342 grams. So number of moles present in 4 gram of sucrose will be 4 gram divided by 342 gram. If you simplify this, you will get 0.0117 mole. So we have calculated the number of mole present in 4 gram of sugar cube or sucrose molecule is 0.0117. It is a fractional quantity. So now we'll divide 0.0117 divided by, if you convert 350 ml into liter, so it becomes 350 upon 1000 liter. So your equation become the molarity capital M barabar is equal to 0.0117 into 1000 divided by 350. You will simplify this, you will get the molarity of the solution. Now next concept is molality. So you can see there is a difference of R and L in the molality and molarity. So students remain quite confused, but these two are different things. And difference is also asked in examination between molarity and molality. So be careful in these two terms. Now what is molality? It is defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. It is denoted by a small m. Thus molality small m is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. So one problem is given to you. The density of three molar solution of NaCl is 1.25 gram per ml. Calculate the molality of the solution. Now answer. Molarity is given to you 3 mole per liter. So mole per liter is the unit of molarity. So capital M is equal to 3 mole per liter. That means mass of NaCl in 1 liter solution is 3 into 58.5 gram, because gram molecular mass of or molar mass of NaCl molecule is 58.5. How it is 58.5? Sodium 23 and chlorine is 35.5. So you use, if you add 23 plus 35.5, you will get 58.5. It is multiplied by 3 because 3 mole per liter concentration solution is Cl is given to you. So 58.5 multiplied by 3, it becomes 175.5 gram. So mass of 1 liter of solution sorry, mass of 1 liter of mass of 1 liter of solution is equal to 1000 into 1.25 mass बराबर होता है volume into density. So volume is 1 liter and density is given to you 1.25. So 1.25 multiplied by 1000, you will get mass 1250. And reason also given since density is 1.25 gram per liter. So mass of water in solution, if you multiply, if you subtract 1250 minus 175.5 gram. So what is the mass of water in solution? 1074.5 gram. And what is definition of molality? Number of moles of solute, it is 3 mole, and mass of solvent in kg is 1.0745 kg. So if you divide 3 mole by 1.0745 kg, you will get 2.79 molality concentration solution. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.